Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see where are the deleted photos in your mobile. Even though if you clear some space, still the internal storage is filled up. That may be due to the hidden files or due to the bin folder where all the deleted photos are accumulated in them. Now in this video, what I'll do is I'll show you where are the deleted photos stored and how to empty the trash bin and how to find out the hidden photos and delete them. So just for the tutorial purpose, I'm just clicking a picture now with my phone. So I'll take my laptop. Right now in this photo I'll be deleting this. I'll be tapping on this. I'll be clicking on this bin, so I'll just say move to bin. Now open the files app on your mobile, which is my default file manager app, the Google Files. This is the Motorola H50 mobile. Okay, for most of the mobiles nowadays this Google Files app is the default file manager. So open the Google Files app, and from here what you can do is click on these three bars and click on the settings here, and make sure if it is disabled, click on enable show hidden files and press the back button and click on this trash folder. And here are the all the pictures or the screenshot or the videos what you have been deleted here will be added here to the bin folder. What you can do is you can click on select all items or uncheck few of the items if you want to restore them. There are two options here, restore or delete. If you want to restore, you need to click on this. If you want to delete, you need to click on this. Right now I want to empty the space of the bin. That's the reason I have been deleting all the bin folder so that I'll get some space on my mobile. And the second thing I told you is I'll tell you how you can find out the hidden photos, right? Make sure you enable this show hidden files. Once you do that, click on the search bar here and type something like .private. Okay, yep. And see here there are number of photos which are in the private, and make sure if you don't want them, you can just select one picture and click on these three dots and click on select all. Again I'm saying just manually just check all the photos. Make sure if you don't want them, then only you can make the delete option. And it is saying like it has been moved to the trash folder. Again I need to go to the trash folder, and again I need to select here and delete here. So this is how you can find the deleted photos on your mobile, and you can take necessary action, that may be restore or delete. My primary concern or requirement is to clear some space on my mobile so that it works faster or I can install new apps. That's the reason I did this. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like it, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.